Hey everyone, Nick again with Used Bikes Direct, checking out this 09 VTX1300. Hop on the website, usedbikesdirect.com, so you can see those detailed photos and specs. Give us a call with any questions at 866-576-2453. So like I said, this is a 2009 model Honda VTX1300. It's going to have Honda's 1312cc V-twin in it, and that is paired up to a 5-speed transmission. This one we're checking out today has 31,087 miles on it, and you do have a couple of small nicks in the tank. Nothing major, just little things, just like what you see right here. But other than that, she is in beautiful condition. Obviously, it does have this Voyager Convertible Kit on it to make it into a trike. So what that does is it keeps your rear wheel exactly where it is and just adds the two wheels on either side of it like you see right here. So you can also remove it and go back to a two-wheeler if you wanted to. Going along with that, plenty of storage with the saddlebags as well as that top trunk on it, which of course is going to give your passenger a large backrest, and you have a backrest for yourself as well. Coming down low, we're going to see that you're going to have these highway pegs as well as floorboards and a heel toe shifter, so definitely a comfortable bike to ride for sure. Coming up top, we'll take a look at those controls for you. Of course, the standard headlight, turn signal, and horn on the left-hand side, with that kill switch and starter button on the right. Flipping the key on, we'll go ahead and look at the gauge here. Large analog gauge for your speedometer, warning lights and neutral indicator underneath, as well as that digital readout for your odometer, so you see the 31087. Let's go ahead and fire it up and listen to how it sounds. So obviously that Cobra exhaust has a great tone to go along with it. So remember guys, you're going to want to find us on the web at usedbikesdirect.com. Of course, you can give us a call with any questions at 866-576-2453.